How to loop a YouTube video on TV. Looping a YouTube video on a TV can be done using a few different methods depending on your setup. While the YouTube app on most TVs doesn't have a built-in loop feature, you can use the following workarounds. Method 1. Use the YouTube app on your phone. Casting. Open the YouTube app on your phone. Find the video you want to loop. Cast the video to your TV. Tap the cast icon in the YouTube app on your phone and select your TV. Enable looping. Tap the video player on your phone while casting. Tap the More Options 3 dots menu. Select Loop Video. The video will continuously play on your TV. Method 2. Create a playlist with the video. Create a playlist. Open YouTube on your phone, computer, or TV. Add the video to a new or existing playlist. Play the playlist on TV. Open the YouTube app on your TV. Go to Library and select the playlist. Enable playlist looping. While the playlist is playing, navigate to the playlist controls and select the loop option. This will loop all videos in the playlist, including the one you added. Method 3. Use a browser on a smart TV or streaming device. Open YouTube in a browser. If your TV has a browser, go to youtube.com. Start the video. Play the video you want to loop. Enable looping. Right-click on the video if using a mouse, or long press on touch devices to bring up the context menu. Select Loop from the menu. The video will repeat continuously. Method 4. Use the YouTube app's repeat feature if supported. Play the video on TV. Open the YouTube app on your TV and play the video. Check for a loop option. Some TV models and YouTube app versions allow a repeat option. Navigate to the video controls and check if a repeat or loop icon is available. Method 5. Use an external device. Chromecast, Roku, or Fire Stick. Use your phone or computer to control playback and enable looping as in Method 1. These methods will help you loop a YouTube video on your TV so you can enjoy continuous playback without interruptions.